Hey everyone, so I got here my MacBook Pro, a Mac's hard drive died, so I just got my replacement one in that box over there from Otherworld Computing. Um, so that's what I'm going to be doing, hard drive replacement with MacBook Pro. 10 screws over here on all sides, 4 here, 1 on each side, 4 up there. So let's begin unscrewing the case. Make sure you don't confuse which screws go to which, because there's different screws that go to each one. Like this right here. This is extremely small screw. And then there's extremely large ones on, I think, right here on the top ones. So I'm almost done, just 3 more to go. As you can tell, right here these screws are longer than the smaller ones. And they have this little blue thing. So all 3 of these right here are the ones that have the longer screws. The rest are mini ones. Alright, so I got them all unscrewed. Sorry. I got them all unscrewed. I mean, lift off the case gently. And there we have it. Look at how much I've been using. Very dirty, huh? Alright, so the hard drive is right here, right? It's suggested that you trip on, what's it called? Disconnect the battery connector from the logic board. Right here you can tell it's the RAM, so that the thing I'm talking about is right here. Alright, so it's off, right? So there's two screws right here. We need a Phillips, the Phillips screw. So we got it off. Here's what we need to remove. There's a pull tab right here, so we just lift it up. Remove the hard drive, the cable, right here. So there's 4 screws right here, in total, one here, and then another one here. You need to remove it, and then transfer it over to the new hard drive. Alright, so I got all 4 screws. All 4 screws over here unscrewed. Let's get the new hard drive out. This one's 250 gigabytes, and my new one is 500 gigabytes by Hitachi. So as you notice, there's 4 holes. There's 4 holes over here that we need to place the old screws onto. So all 4 screws are on. And there we have it. Hard drive connected. And let's get this rolling. One thing that I must mention, these things come unformatted, so you have to format them again. Just place back the battery back connected. So that's all. You just gotta put the cover back up, and that's all. Thanks for watching my MacBook Pro hard drive replacement video.